So apparently Mrs. TTSALEEN said she wants to make sure she still knows how to change oil. So let me tell you, I got two vehicles need oil change. One is the Ford Explorer 2003 with the 4.0 V6. And one is that sweet rockin' 98 F150 with the 4.6 2-valve of Fury. 393,000 miles come on with the original motor. So it's time to change the oil in both of them. So we're gonna see what she's got. We're gonna get them all ready for her so she can change the oil in both. This ought to be good. We're gonna video it though. All right, so we got a new person working today at the TTSALEEN Ranch.
Stop.
We got the Mrs. TTSALEEN, but we have a problem though. We gotta identify the problem. We got a problem right away. This is not the tire for changing oil. This is workout attire. I mean, I know you're working out and everything, but we need like a dirty shirt to wear. That's why I always wear like a dirty shirt. You can just go get one of my shirts and put on, because this is this is not the right attire for changing oil.
To be videoing anyway.
This is absolutely a video, because I'm be getting a thumbs down. There's somebody give me a thumbs down on my videos. I guess I'll have enough T&A, which is enough tech and answer. So we need more tech and answer. So, and your funnel, your filter, your 5 quarts of oil, your wrenches, your gloves, your oil filter wrench, your drain pan, and your rag. You're ready to go. Vehicle's up on ramps for you. It's nice and cool. It ain't even hot. Ready to go. What do you think?
Stop.
No, this is YouTube gold. This is YouTube gold. Right. So, when was the last time you actually changed oil in something?
My 88 GT Mustang.
88 GT? You know how long ago it was we had that car?
I know. Like 2001, 2002.
Yeah, that was 18, 19 years ago.
Well, that's because you always do it and take over everything.
Take over? I don't see you fighting me to do anything out here.
I believe the saying was, I take care of the inside, you take care of the outside.
Oh, I take care of the outside, all right. All right, so what's your plan here?
What do you mean, what's my plan?
All right, for your drain plug, first you need to take that.
I know,
What do you know? Before you slide that in there, what are you about to do?
I have to take this out.
All right, well go ahead.
So that the oil has something to drain into.
Yeah, you might want.
Do you know what size the drain plug is under there?
Not off the top of my head,
okay.
But I've got you an assortment of wrenches there, so you can just try one out till it fits. What? You think I remember all these vehicles we got?
Did you do this?
Yeah, do you remember which way to go? What's the slogan to get something off?
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
There you go. All right, so see, how hard was that? Awesome. All right. You gonna leave that fancy watch on, or?
It'll be fine. It's got a cover on it.
Yeah, I'm talking about your band. If you get oil on your band.
Yeah, I don't want that.
Yeah, let's not get that messed up. Too fancy to be changing oil in that. Let me take that. Oh, look at your picture. It's got me on it. You know I like it. That is awesome.
Winning.
Yeah.
Narcissist.
Winning.
You're a narcissist.
You made me that way. You put my damn picture on your watch, so come on. That's awesome. All right. By the way, nobody likes a bun. Just saying. Could have put a hat on or something, but.
No, I worked out.
Okay, well.
Turn that off.
Nobody likes a bun.
Turn that off.
Know where the drain plug is? You know where the oil pan is?
Yeah, right here's the oil filter.
Oh, that's the oil filter. Yep.
Right here.
There you go. That's the drain plug. Perfect.
Alright. Move this thing out of my way.
In the container. There you go. All right. Now take the rag, go ahead and wipe off your arm and where it's draining, running down the container there in front of you where the handle is. See it? There you go. You don't make too big of a mess. You got some drips over there. Put that on the filter. Best way you
Underneath or on
can.
the side?
Either way you can get to it. You just want to be able to grab it.
Okay. Alright. And you just twist it?
And you just twist it to the left. And it's a little difficult because it's kind of up in there with that type of wrench, but you can get to it. Just kind of.
Coming here. I need to wipe it off, but my rag's really dirty.
That's alright. Just slide out and let it drip and we'll get you some more rags.
Right.
We'll prime your filter. Them 20s, oh, 20. Somehow you have got oil dripped all up here.
It's probably where I just sprayed that stuff and it sprayed it out that way.
No, this is actual oil.
Oh.
Anyway. Alright, come on, get your filter ready.
Oh well.
I know. Make a damn mess. Rookie. You rookie. Come on.
I'm coming.
Ease on down the road, Dorothy.
Got your Dorothy.
Alright.
I need that.
What do you need? You don't need none of that. You got what you need right here. So flip your filter over in the box to hold it. Okay. First thing I do is make sure the rubber O-ring's pushed down the way it's supposed to be. So it is. And I always visually look inside the filter, make sure there's no contaminants. Motorcraft are good. They should be fine. And make sure it matches the FL820S. Nobody's changed the box. That's what's on the box. And then you're going to put some oil into here. Now,
You have a funnel, right?
this is a big container.
Right.
You can go ahead and get that off. Hand slippery?
Yeah. Because of all the oil I got everywhere.
Put that kung fu grip on it.
My torque thumb.
All right. I want to get that off.
I did get oil everywhere.
I know you made a damn mess.
Oh well, I'll clean it up.
All right, now you gotta punch a hole in that. Okay. Yeah, just try not to get any pieces down inside your oil.
Yep. That's good.
All right.
Are you sure you want me doing this part?
Yeah, you're doing the whole thing. So, if you can just hold the filter, pour a little bit in there, prime it, or if you feel more comfortable with the funnel, take the funnel.
I mean, that's
But
probably...
you can't hold it in there, but just a little bit. Just pour a little bit down in there, just a little bit at a time.
Yeah, maybe.
I'll hold the funnel for you. Just don't take much, just a little bit. Whoa. Just gotta soak it in. How's that look? About the same amount again. That's pretty good. That's good enough. What we're doing is we're priming the filter so it's not completely dry when we first crank the thing up. All right. Now, I've already taken your cap off here for the oil. So stick that there.
Oh, I gotta put some around the seal.
No, you don't have to do all that. Take your finger where it's already wet, touch it, and just rub a little bit around there. You don't need much.
Right here?
Yeah, you're just keeping it a little wet. That way it comes off easier later. Yep, that's it.
Okay.
All right, now you can put it back on. Alright, and that's 5 quarts, so just put all 5 right in there. So now what I normally do is, we got more oil to change, so get you some more paper towels in there. Just grab a couple more, and I will grab my trash can to make it easier for you. And just pick up your old trash there and throw it in the trash can.
You want me to use the paper towels? That's why you have me.
Yeah, you don't have to use them all, just use a couple and then use the other and wipe your hands off. Yeah, just grab your old trash there. Yep, you can keep that rag for later. You're gonna use it on the white truck. All right, and if you wanna go ahead and wipe some of the oil off with a paper towel and throw the rag in there, you can, just to clean up your workspace a little bit. And that's pretty much that. And that's how you change the oil. Now, I've got some stickers that we'll put in the windshields for the next oil change. So we'll grab those real quick. So what you can do is, the key's in it.
That was a big spider. Did you kill that big spider?
Yeah, I stepped on it this morning. Just turn the key forward and check what the mileage is right now. And we're gonna add 4,000 miles to it.
$192.45.
All right. So you can come in here and make your sticker. So here you go. Just 194, 250. All right, let that dry for a little bit, and then we'll take that off and stick it in the windshield. Take the old sticker out, and good for 4,000 more miles. Now you get to do the hot rod white truck. Yeah. He does anymore. All right. Make sure that's under it. Like I said, once you get it loose, kind of hold it up there and tilt it to one side. It'll start leaking down. Yeah. Alright, keep loosening it. But don't take it all the way off yet. Keep your hand under it to support it because it'll try to fall.
Okay.
Make sure it leaks into the thing. Don't let it come down your arm.
Alright.
Alright. Alright, now start to take it off, but hold it about 1 inch away from the motor. And when you hold 1 inch away, yep, see how it's starting to drip more?
Yep.
Alright. Once it slows down, now you can take it off and put the filter in the pan. Take it all the way down. There you go. Because that'll catch it. Alright, now here's your towels to wipe your arm off.
It didn't get on my arm.
Good. Alright, but that's the trick. If you just take the filter right off,
Yeah.
it'll just start puking oil everywhere. So if you hold the filter up for a couple of seconds, it'll catch it
Yeah.
and give you a controlled drop into the pan. Then you can take out the wool and...
I know you don't believe me, but there's not a lot of oil there.
Good. I mean, that's good.
But I'll spray it.
Yep. And then spray the drain plug at the pan, bottom of the pan.
Okay.
Yep. Turn your can the other way, and that way it'll gravity feed it.
Okay.
Yeah, just like that. Yep. Spray it. There you go. All right. And
Wipe it off.
here you go. There you go. All right.
Ooh, that's some black oil.
Alright, wrap up the container like that. Throw all our trash over here. And so I'll get in there, tighten the filter. There's your 5 quarts open.
Okay.
Go ahead and pour it in that funnel.
Okay.
And this one takes a little over 6.5 quarts. So what we have to do is we have to put about 1.5 quarts from this other 5 quarter I got here. So go ahead and pour that 5 quarts in that. All right. $393,000 miles on the old F-150. Look at that. 393, 340 actually. Roll the windows up here. All right. All right, good job.